Hey, Strike Metals here. Today I will be showing how to set a USB ESP Arduino module into programming mode using the adapter. Well, that was a mouthful. So, there's the adapter. Now, this can actually be programmed with this USB module without attaching a jumper on the back, as it's not in programming mode. A couple of pins on the back need to be bridged. That's between this one and this one. You can see which one's marked by the soldering paste that's already on there, which is the GPIO pin 1 and ground for your reference, which is that one and that one. I had to point with one hand, but in order to program this ESP module, which will be a crypto miner mining Arduino coin, which is a type of extremely low power cryptocurrency. Repeat myself weirdly. Right, just plug the soldering iron in. Once again, I'll be using the solder that I've made. There's actually quite a bit stuck in the rosin there, the soldering flux. I will leave that. I'll burn off very quick. My iron heats up quite quickly. It's a good soldering iron. I've had it many years, as I've said. Try to get that ball of solder out of there. I would like to use that. Come on. There we go. So that's probably enough to make the bridge. This is a jumper for a PC. It's just 2 pins attached to there. They've been displayed out at angles, as you can see, and they will be soldered in that position, like that. It's required to put it into programming mode. Once the program has been uploaded, that will need to be removed in order to run whatever program was uploaded. In this case it will be a crypto miner. I will show that. Mining Arduino coin, or how to upload the code at least. Bridge has happened there, not ideal, too much solder. Come on, off. There's a bad bridge there, way too much solder. Trying to get some more of that soldering iron. There you go. Come off quite nicely. Let's try that again. This time I'm not going to hold the jumper, as it's sort of fiddly. Yeah, that one's soldered. And that one too. That was very clean solder, that. Very nicely liquid. Get a nice blob on there. Nice pointiness. Ooh, a bit too much. Give it some strength. Bridge there again. Stop that. There you go. Turn that off now. Put that on there as a weight, as it's very hot. Hundreds of degrees. Soldering irons. And these burns occur when you burn yourself with the soldering irons, and they're very deep and they hurt a lot, especially when you're in a salt bath. Just cleaning off the rosin and flux here. Then we'll go to the computer and upload the code. If it accepts the code, we'll know it works. We'll also show the site of which you need to go to in order to mine these cryptocurrency of which I speak. We'll also show how to do that with the standard Arduino modules, not ESP modules like this. This is a bit of a custom piece. But it is very cool to have a USB miner rather than a larger, bulkier Arduino, as that will be the crypto miner, and you could just slot these in a USB hub and mine lots. So let's go to the computer and upload the code to this now ready USB miner. That need to be taken off that will once the code's uploaded. Right. Get my chair. Ooh, reflection. Bit better. That was my phone ejecting from the foot holder violently. Wow, that was new. Anyway, Arduino coin. There's the code there. It's done compiling. And here's the miner, which I'll put in this USB hub. Whoa. Phone does not like this stand all of a sudden at this angle. Angle it down very slightly. Sorry about this. There we go. So, USB hub with several ports. And the miner. So let's plug that in. Hear that activating, the activation sound, I guess. Well, it does look good. Now that should have showed up on my serial ports on the Arduino. Should be on as the generic ESP module, it's already set. Port. Oh, there we go. We've got port 3 and 4, but I'm not sure what port it is. So let's turn that off and find out. Should disappear. Or I could search through the devices. Bottom corner, I think I'll do that. Turn it back on. Devices and printers, which should be on the side. It's a little sort of USB thing here if you're on Windows 10. Right, lots of things here. Let's see what I'm looking for. Ah, there it is. So some COM4 USB serial CH340, which is the driver type. So let's set that to COM4. Communication ports 4. Right, that's set. So, this is the Arduino coin code for the miner. Follow these instructions that you find on it when you search Arduino coin and go on the site. It's spelled like that, D-U-I-N-O. Quite easy to find. And follow the instructions to install these libraries that you need to in the Arduino IDE system. Mainly Arduino JSON and ESP8266 library, both of which you can find links to inside of the uploader. So there's the code. You need to put in your ID of the router, your password, doesn't matter if I haven't even seen this, no one's even needed me, your account name, whatever that is, Lost Dragon Metals as an example, rig identifier. You don't have to give this a name, but if you do, it will show up on the site. But it's usually set to none. That's all you need to set there. There's lots more code, lines and lines of it. You can look through it all, but really won't help you. It's just all server sync stuff and hash rates and security codes and stuff. So let's upload that. Click the upload button. says it's compiling sketch here. Phone light that is reflecting off the screen, sorry about that. Right, it should be uploading to the miner. Well, any minute once that's done compiling, as it's taking a while. Come on, compile and upload already. It's a lot of code, the crypto mining code for Arduino coin. Uploading, and as you can see the module is blinking violently. A little blue LED on there. There's also a red LED which indicates power. It's being written to at the moment. As you can see, writing all these different values: 48%, 42, 57, 61. So it's nearly done uploading its code to the miner. So it is accepting the code, which means this is ready to be used. All I need to do is plug it in the source router, and then it will start mining. You will only see that on your Arduino coin account. Leaving hard resetting via RTS pin, which is a clock, and the code should now be uploaded, since it says there, done uploading. So let's take that out, close the code. Behold, picture of England. I think that was rape seeds or something. There's on a weight and knot in them. Yeah, I know. Why was I going there? Doesn't matter. So, done. Turn that off and remove the module. Now, this jumper on the back needs to come off, but since you don't want to lose it, just in case you want to reprogram it with the most recent code uploaded by the Arduino coin team, just slot it there, so you can keep hold of it. And once you plug that back in and turn it back on, it will run. Now that's seeking a router that there isn't actually close by, but when it's near the source it will go. I have a thumbnail picture of a blue version of one of these, which is the old version, which has a red LED, and I will post that probably as the thumbnails. It looks a bit cooler than that one, although that one does look nice. You can see very pretty sort of aqua blue on this miner. Anyway, that can be plugged into the mains also, well, from a phone adapter along with the USB hub. Don't really need mains power up to plug it into the computer. So hopefully my internet's on. Nope.